Starting with the good, the Ruger LCR and LCRX guns have a lot of different caliber options. You got 22 long rifle, 22 Magnum, 327 Magnum, 38 Special, 9mm, and 357 Magnum. So you can shoot centerfire, semi-automatic cartridges, as well as your traditional rimmed revolver cartridges. The 327 Magnum is especially versatile because it gives you a lot of different power and recoil options all within the same gun. You can shoot the heavy 327 Magnum, which is going to have a lot of recoil and a lot more power, or you can shoot the 32 H&R Magnum, which is kind of a go-between. And then you've got the 32 Smith & Wesson Long, which has very low recoil, feels like a 22, but it is more reliable than your standard rimfire cartridges are going to be.